Okay, let's do a few examples on two-digit divisor. And our first example, let's say we'll divide 8,760 into 15. So let's write it out like this. So we have a two-digit divisor. That's what it means, a two-digit divisor. 15 is a two-digit divisor. Okay. So 15 goes to 87. The closest number would be 15 times 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. You carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus the 2 is 75. So we put the 5 here. Put 75 here. 87 minus 75 is 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. Drop down to 6. 15 goes into 126. 8 times. That's the closest number. To show you, 15 times 8 is 120. So you put 120 here. 126 minus 120 is 6. Drop down to 0. 15 goes into 60. The closest would be 15 times 4. And you can see right here, 15 times 4 is 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4 plus the 2 is 6. So it's 60. So 15 times 4 is 60. And there you have it. Your answer is 584. But you could check the answer. 584 times 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 8 times 5 is 40 plus the 2 is 42. 5 times 5 is 25 plus the 4 is 29. Put a 0 here. 4 times 1 is 4. 8 times 1 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. And we add these up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. Plus the 1 is 8. And as you can see, it matches. So this is the correct answer. 584 is the correct answer. And let's do our second example. Let's say we want to divide 3,556 into 14. So we would write it out like this. Here's our two-digit divisor, 14. 14 goes into 35. The closest number would be, let's say, 14 times 2. That would be 28. So that would be the closest. So you put a 2 here. So we put the 28 here. 35 minus 28, that is 7. Drop down to 5. 14 goes into 75. The closest would be 14 times 5. That's 70. 4. So we would put 5 here. 14 times 5 is 70. 75 minus 70 is 5. Drop down to 6. And 14 goes into 56 4 times. As you can see, 14 times 4 is 56, and you have it right there. So it would be 4. So our answer would be 254. Now we can check this answer. 254 times 14. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus the 1 is 21. Carry the 2. 2 times 4 is 8 plus the 2 is 10. Put a 0 here. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Add these up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 2 plus 1 is 3. And as you can see, it checks out. It's pretty simple. Okay, let's do a few exercise problems.